I'm dipping in my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis254. You tuned in for another one. If you haven't been following us over on TikTok, we have a little bit of an issue with the C10. So on the cylinder head, these two spark plugs had oil in them. Now, looking at this cylinder head as a representation, I'm not really sure, other than like what would be the reason that oil would get here. Don't worry, I'll wait. So my guess is either is coming from the bottom, because it goes on to bolts straight here. So if oil is getting up past now, but it's only on these two pistons, or cylinder 3, cylinder 5. Well, these two in the middle. These are not the actual 5 and 7 or 3 and 5. It's actually these. So cylinder 3 and 5 have the oil pass by. So maybe it's oil from the bottom. But I think, now this is what I think. I think it could just simply be that it's the valve seals. So if you look here, I mean, of course you have to take a spring compression tool, but I believe possibly that those seals up under there just could just be bad. Could just be bad. So y'all know we had plans to kind of go with the gusto on this one. So, but with that oil getting in there and fouling out them plugs like that, and it's just not good. So we have to look a little deeper. I'm gonna have to get that taken care of before we proceed. So hopefully it is just the seals and it's not like a bottom end thing. I did do a compression test, which, I mean, if I did it right, I could have did it wrong. I believe that the compression was where it was supposed to be on those, well, on all 5 of them, or on all 4 cylinders, because it was only coming from the driver's bank. And then when I actually pulled the plugs, the number 1 and number 3, or number 1 and number 7, they had no oil on them. Only 3 and 5 in the middle had the oil. So I'm thinking it's the seals. And like I said, I'm not 100% sure, but I guess we'll find out. If we do pull said heads, then what I'm gonna try not to do is just be like, well, since you in there, you might as well put a cam. Cause you know how we do sometimes we be like, might as well put a cam in there. So if I can just fix the issue, fix the problem without going down a rabbit hole, then I think we'll be fine. We can get the C10 running correct. Cause like I said, it wasn't something that it did all the time. Like, I really don't know why it did it that one time with all that smoke. But yeah, here we are. So it's crazy, man. Crazy. Every time you try to move forward and like, hey man, we almost there, we almost done, and then next thing you know, starts blowing smoke like a choo-choo train. So yeah, sometimes it be like that. So you gotta do what you gotta do.